round number 10. You see the smile, that right eye swollen shut.
He won't be able to spar, or else he'll be sparring Monday.
Yeah, very true.
Muling mapapalaban sa Amerika ang Pinoy na si Vincent Astrolabio alias Acero. Makakalaban ang undefeated prospect, ang Japanese na si KATSUMA Akitsugi para sa 10 rounds na suntukan. Sa mga di nakakaalam, 3 Pinoy boxer na ang tinudas ni Akitsugi, habang si Astrolabio ay natalo kontra hapon na si Junto Nakatani via first round knockout. Pero sa huling laban ni Astrolabio ay nagbalik na mas malakas at mas halimaw si alias Acero. Tinalo ang dayong kalaban mula Thailand via knockout sa unang round. Bagamat dehado si Astrolabio sa laban niya ngayon kontra Akitsugi, ay malaki pa din ang tsansa ni Acero na maka-upset sa laban dahil nagbalik na nga ito na mas malakas at mas uhaw sa panalo. Sa palagay mo si Astrolabio na kaya ang magbibigay ng unang talo ni Akitsugi o magiging pang-4 lang siya sa listahan ng mga Pinoy na tinudas nitong hapon? Bago ang bakbakan bukas sa Amerika, ay panoorin muna natin ang huling laban nila na kung saan impresibong panalo ang kanilang nakuha.
Number one. Top 3 the other pro before. I've seen him upset a lot of guys on top rank. He always comes in shape.
Akitsugi has beaten and Roberts. That combination of Japanese that they have the training and while also creating different punching angles.
Ooh,
but Sultan is not the right moment. You know, it's not going to be easy for him, but he's looking for the right moment. He's one of those guys.
Lines that rhythm. He's a really difficult guy to hit. And
better than he has his whole career. He's looking better every time.
he's beaten 4 undefeated fighters. His last 2 fights,
you know, putting the punches together, just being so
really good at getting out of the range.
He talks about it. You know, he was trained by a little bit by Buddy McGirt, who had that.
Doesn't have those heavy hands. He catches you at the right.
The danger of a fighter like
Letting him work, letting him throw his shots, and he's finding home for shots like that.
Oof. Nice short right hand over the top.
Akitsugi with the uppercuts.
Akitsugi's in that pocket, angling the whole time.
So that shows you that he's been in the gym. It's not like he's up 2 weight classes because he took the fight on late notice.
He's your opponent.
Yeah, I mean, both guys are trying to assert themselves right now. I don't think anyone's truly
Thudding punches with that left hand.
Yep. Tricky, just put him in the middle. Round 1 with a right hook to the body. Bar back to the corner.
He might have hurt him again there.
Better.
See, now he's starting to find these big shots.
You also get that sense. Feel like, I don't feel
Death by a thousand cuts.
Yeah, death by a thousand cuts.
Oh, good right hand. Sultan's still dangerous. He punches with you.
Mesmerized by the movement.
Sultan now.
You know, something like that.
It looked like with the other hand, they were holding his jaw. I don't know if it's something.
Making some points
Could be a problem.
Very good point.
How much water they used in the
Let's see if there's anything.
Oh, no.
Nice catch there.
Himself in a lot of danger early on.
Which makes it fun as hell to watch. It's great for us. Sultan isn't going anywhere. Still trying to land big punches, and he does.
He does.
Oh, he got hurt there. He got hurt to the body. He's in control, and he's the aggressor. So effective with punches around
Off the angle change.
Wow, to 38, and it's power again from Akitsugi.
Akitsugi cannot miss that left.
He doesn't admire his work. He goes right back to the punches after landing. Corner imploring Sultan to be first. Not let Akitsugi lead the dance, but he's not effective with his counter punches.
He's trying to get to the body.
It was making him survive.
That hurt him.
Oh.
Now backing up.
A few more body shots will do it.
And also,
Good body.
and change it up.
That's time to have some body shots.
Yeah.
Akitsugi's setting his feet now, too. He's looking to land some heavier shots.
It could be. Once again, those knockouts coming on Pro Box TV. He's gotten more confident in his ability to stop a fighter. Point out, he's landed some heavy punches when they do land, but Akitsugi's certain. The guy just keeps going. This is his style.
And the save energy, well, it looks like he's doing a lot more than he is.
Nice short left hand, good right hand.
Still throwing heavy shots at Sultan. Good body work from Akitsugi on the inside.
Production want to smack you around. Just so you know.
Sultan's been very impressive tonight as well. He's definitely got hurt with a body shot again. Guy's ab training because he's getting hurt with a lot of body shots in this fight.
But look at him. He smiles when he's getting hit. You know, this guy's a warrior. Now Akitsugi turning it on.
Yeah, he's ready to go. Or he's trying to recover from the body shot, probably. you're gonna do that every day in sparring. You know, you're gonna get guys that are gonna keep coming and never gonna give up. So he's ready for that. He's prepared.
Body, but some cut. Looks like around the right eye.
Yeah.
Jerry Jones is tired of playing for our strike cleaning bills, but too bad. Part of the job.
So they go, you're winning. They go to the scorecards and you're gonna win. But not if you're worse.
Right.
Oh, always right. Yeah.
Like that's the problem too. And then you wait. If you stop it, it's stopped from punching.
He's so wide open to start the round. Let him go. Let him go.
Ooh, good dig. So far, you know, this is a guy who Akitsugi could dance and move. And
Very good, solid coverage.
oh, nice
A
right.
little bit above. It's on the side of the face. I think Akatsugi's back in business. And the punches are coming out nicely.
Well, the good thing is he never.
Akatsugi targeting the
Another
body
good body
wide.
shot.
Yeah, that was nasty.
And so far, you're right. Oh, toe to toe in the center of the ring.
Yeah, it's mean and trading punches here.
TV, it's why millions are watching fights like this.
These guys don't.
What a cut. What a even stronger.
A lot of drama.
Oh, nice left. I think he needs a break too.
Yeah. Oh.
Another great, another body shot.
Man, Akitsugi's going for it here.
He's trying to hurt it. Great stuff for the fighter from Japan, training out of Southern California.
Japonesito Katsuma
happening already after some fight with Pratrong already. I think he fought in Macau and wins and 2 loss and 2 draw.
Astrolabio. It's been a year.
May gigil factor kasi si Astrolabio eh. He is trying to
I did an interview with him yesterday, and he said that his last fight, no, that was a wake-up.
sa 120. We never know kung si Astrolabio eh lalaban na. That left upper did connect for Astrolabio.
2 minutes of this round, Astrolabio going specifically on the
Oh, wow! A barrage of
on well-strung combination by Vincent Astrolabio.
a first round knockout win for Vincent Astrolabio.
Then,
Na nahirapan
Of course, of
o nahirapan o ano yan?
here we have the replay on
Because